Ljubljana, Zoran Janković. He's a very strong figure and he's a very corrupt. He has his 10% and that's it. For example, I was working for a Serbian company who was building Intercontinental Hotel. And this Mišković guy, who is the owner of Delta company, we got the building permit in record fast time, but that was because the mayor sent his son, and his son told you have to work with this company and with this company, and you have to give this company that and this company that.
Janković, that is the mayor of Ljubljana, he's powerful in every sense. Politically, economically, business-wise.
Bojite li se da bi vam se moglo dogoditi jednoga dana da vas osude i pošalju u zatvor?
Pa ni slučajno, ja sam bio u svim tim godinama, da kažem, na tom području izvršne vlasti najveći protivnik politike Janeza Janše.
Zoranu Jankoviću se poznava več kot 15 let, ves čas sva bila prijatelja v tem času in jaz mislim, da prijateljev ne moreš in ne smeš izdajati.
It's basically immune to anything, right? You can't get to him. Like, the court procedures can't get to him.
And still he has like house searches every 6 months. You know, you have police who is quite a lot influenced by the current government, but still the things he does are so problematic that even they cannot like say, okay, nothing is happening, you know. So it's all the time this performance that he has a house search, he comes out, he says I'm innocent, then he influences the court, then they give his cases to one judge and then they change the judge, you know, and things like that are happening all the time. But somehow he still manages to survive, you know.